Hi guys.
My mom.
Okay, so I wanted to talk about like the story, YouTube story, and see and help like some people out there. Okay, so her profile has already been up for 2 weeks. Okay, 2 weeks, and she has like almost 200 followers. It's not, I know it's little, but it's not. I kind of feel like if you get 200 followers in a week or so, that's not little. Okay, so like YouTube is kind of in an easy mode right now. They're kind of pushing out like small channels, so we're kind of very active on Instagram, active on TikTok, and active on Facebook, because she has a lot of followers on those channels. But she had a YouTube, but it was very inactive, so we just recently started, adding some videos on her YouTube. And there are just some key things. Like what I did, I took my time to actually, I'm someone that I love learning. Okay, I'm a fast learner. I don't like reading, but Megan, I love learning actually, but I'm a fast learner. Give me like a video for me to watch and I'm just gonna capture. So I took like the first 3 days to just go over like YouTube channels, like people in her niche, what they are doing and what works for them. And there are just some couple of things that I kind of feel like if maybe you have like a YouTube channel that is just stuck, right? Maybe you're getting no views. She has actually one of her videos, and I'm going to put it up here. She has one of her videos that is kind of like a 40,000 views, okay? And it's just because I watched a lot of videos, learned a lot, kind of understand like the algorithm, how YouTube algorithm work, okay? And the strategies that you can use whenever you want to post, or maybe, before you even post on your channel itself. There are so many things that you need to do. Not many, but they are just little that if you take like 30 minutes a day and just fix those things, your videos will start getting views. That's what I think. So I bought like a couple of things that we did that worked for her channel, and we are seeing like a fast pace at it. So the first thing that I learned and we did is kind of optimizing like the video titles and description. Some people, like when you take videos, be it on your, we are using our phone now. I always try to encourage people that even if you don't have like a good camera or light setting, just start with what you have. Okay, right now we're using like our dining room light and and my phone, and it's just we don't have mic. I ordered the mic from Amazon, so we're still waiting for that. So we're just getting started, okay? We're just getting started,
yeah.
And so I'm just gonna encourage somebody out there that just start, and you're gonna get those things with time and try to, yeah. So the first thing is just don't minimize like your video description and the titles, because I kind of feel like your titles and your video description are very important when you're taking a video. Don't just put something you feel that sounds good to you. Okay, look at your niches. Look at all like your competitors, what they are doing that is working for them, what titles they're using. Because like my daughter Megan, her channel is all about, she's an artist, right? She loves drawing. So there's no way I'm going to put that Megan. Let's take an example that if I want to upload like a video, I put Megan's kitty cat, right? I put Megan's kitty cat. It don't make sense, right? There are some titles, how to maybe draw, paint, because that's what everybody's searching for. So you want to go with good description, good titles. And the second thing is like to create like custom thumbnails. Okay, and it's not hard. You can use Canva, you can use even Instagram story. I use Instagram story to create like my thumbnails, and just put in a little bit of time on your thumbnails. And if you have like an iPhone like I do, you can just, iPhone has like a feature that you can actually, when you go on the picture, you can actually just copy the picture. Okay, you can copy the picture, and you can copy the picture and you can use on that story with different backgrounds and the titles, and it comes out to be like a beautiful thumbnails. Okay, so don't minimize, just spend a little bit of time on your thumbnail. Just spend a little bit of time on your thumbnails, because I feel like that's very important. Your thumbnail is what gets people attracted to even click on that video. Okay, so spend a little bit of time with thumbnails. Make sure that they look beautiful and they look, you know, they drawing people to even click on that video. And the next thing is just to engage with your audience. Okay, try to reply to your chat, try to reply to your chat, try to follow other subscribers, try to, you know, comment on other people's video, try to share other people's video. I kind of feel like when you do that, like the algorithm kind of recognizes you and it pushes like your profile out there. We've done that. I mean, it has worked for us, and we're just here to share like those tips that can help you grow your channel. And the other thing that I wanted to bring is just to leverage like your other social media platforms. Okay, so if you have like an Instagram, if you have like TikTok, and if you have like what other one, Facebook, okay, try to promote your YouTube channel on those platforms. Oh my goodness, I can't even stress this. So I posted this video. I'm going to leave the video somewhere here or somewhere here. Okay, I posted this video on TikTok and it went viral. And guess what? I had so many subscribers that came from TikTok. Actually, they came from TikTok and kind of subscribed to Megan's page. So use your other platforms to promote your channel. And you know, you can even post it on your stories. Like, you know, you can do like the link posting. You can either share the video, but I think that one doesn't work publicly. So what I always do when I want to promote, like maybe if I'm posting like a video, right, what I always do, either I use like the a channel screenshot itself, or I use like the thumbnail, then I put like the link, because it's easier if someone can just click the link and go directly to your channel. So yeah, leverage your other social media platforms. Okay, don't just post on YouTube and think. I've had so many subscribers come from from TikTok especially, and from Instagram as well. People are nice like that. Just post everywhere and just kind of, you know, promote your YouTube channel on other platforms. Then the other thing is just to collaborate with other creators. I know personally when with Megan Instagram, like, I mean, a lot of these influencers, or maybe like these big content creators, right, they are actually very nice. Just approach them and tell them and try to collaborate with them, for them to post maybe either your video, or for them to post like your channel and just promote you. So that's something that we don't do that a lot because it costs money too. No, I mean, nobody, but if you have like some friends or family, I mean, I know friends and family are not like, most of your supporters are not going to be your friends or your family. I can say that for sure. Okay, most of your supporters are going to be you watching my video. Okay, when you subscribe, I'm going to support you back. When she started her TikTok page, and I'm gonna say I had like a girl that I followed, and she was doing live, you know, and I kind of give her like 2 coins. And when we started doing live, she's been her supporter from day one. Like, I don't even know her. So most of your supporters are going to be me, you watching this video, and me. Like, your family and your friends, I mean, they do, but I'm going to say like a very minimal percentage, okay, are going to be people from your family. They're going to be your family or your friends, okay? So, yeah, then promote other videos. The other thing that I think is promote other videos in your contents. Like this video, okay, I'm going to put like at the end, make use of the end screen in your settings in YouTube. Make use of that. Then talk about other videos in your current content. Talk about those videos. It works like magic. Utilize like the play cards you see in your setting. Those things take less than a minute for you to just click, okay, or just activate or just put. So utilize those stuff. Make use of the end screen that you have in your settings. You can put like, there's actually a one, I'm gonna leave that one at the end of this video so that when someone is watching your video, they can easily just click to the next, okay? And it has worked for us, and I wanted to share. I love everybody winning, so if we can win together this 2025, I mean, it's a good thing. Then another another point that can actually help your YouTube channel if it's just been stuck, if you have maybe like some coins or some dollars or some money to spare, you can run YouTube ads. I personally don't do that because I'm trying as much as possible to just like, we actually don't have money like that, you know. So if you have some money to spare, you can run YouTube ads, and it's a great way to kind of promote your channel. And the last thing is like to optimize like this your search, right? Like the SEO. Just optimize, use hashtags. Oh my goodness, use those keywords. Don't just post. When you go to your settings and you keep scrolling to the one that has more settings or more items, I think, and I'm going to leave like a screenshot, okay? When you click on it, it's going to give you, and you can do it in an automatic way. You can do it in a way that whenever you want to post all those keywords or those hashtags, like they get like they they get added to your, like they automatically get posted with your videos, okay? So you don't have to do it all the time. It saves time. I know it works for me being a mom and being a wife. It works for me to not to like input like those 300 keywords or maybe hashtags. So do all these things, and trust me, you're gonna get like 100 followers, 200 followers, and yeah, and try to be yourself. One other thing that I left out of these points that that nobody talks about: try to be yourself, okay? Like, people want to see like your authentic self. Like, just try to be you. Find what you like, even if you feel like you don't have like any, if you feel you don't have like any talent or any, just talk about your day, okay? Talk about your day, and trust me, people love it. Some people, they just want to hear you talk. Like, people have a lot of mental breakdown right now that trust me, people just want to hear someone, even if you're in that position in your life where you feel like you're stuck, anything that you do don't work. Talk about that. People want to hear those things. People want to see the authentic self. Don't try to be too flashy, to be too fancy, just be yourself. Be yourself, get a camera, and just talk to people. People want to listen to people talk. So I hope, let me know if actually when you do this, let me know if this is gonna work for you. Let me know if you tried it and you saw any change. Let me know if this is any help to you guys. But I want all of us to win, okay? Thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to Megan. Are you tired? Don't forget to subscribe to Megan's channel, okay? Thanks guys, bye.